Hi guys, we are back and thank you for coming back. I really appreciate you for clicking on this video. My name is Lillian. Don't forget to subscribe and of course hit the like button. Today we are welcoming Madam Naomi Ohene back into the country of Ghana after winning the whopping sum of 250,000 USA dollars at the just concluded Global Nurses Award that took place in Dubai. So I will take you through to see how Ghanaians from all walks of life are welcoming her back into the country, especially her colleagues, fellow nurses, how they are reacting to her return back into the country. But before we get there, because I always like to take a look at how far the journey have been, let's go back a little bit so you get to see the countries, the people that this woman beats hands down to emerge the winner. It is something we have to talk about because there's a reason for that. Now let's take a look, then I'll come back. I will tell you why I'm saying it is a surprising thing for me, because why I'm saying that it is because this is not something that people are being selected to just, okay, oh, we like your work, we've seen you, come and win. Anyway, before I continue to talk more, let's take a look at that magical moment. Then we'll go to the Kotoka airport, and when I come back I'll tell you my take on this magical win and why I feel like there's something spiritual about Ghana that we haven't talked about enough.
The fourth edition of the highly anticipated and much watched around the globe Master Guardian's Global Nursing Award. We are coming to you live from the iconic Atlantis, the Palm, Dubai.
Today we have 10 shining examples of humanity, the pride of their country, showing us what true leadership is. And we feel so proud as Aster DM Healthcare and as ambassadors of healthcare community globally to be able to shine a spotlight on these incredible finalists of ours. And they all are truly winners in every way, shape and form. So I request all of you to give a huge round of applause to them.
I commend Dr. Mupen for his commitment to recognizing the critical contributions of nurses. My congratulations to the nurses being recognized today. To you and to all nurses, I offer my deep thanks for everything you do to make the world a healthier, safer, fairer place.
It is my immense honor and privilege to welcome His Excellency Sheikh Nahyan bin Mubarak Al Nahyan, Cabinet Minister and UAE's Minister of Tolerance and Coexistence, as he joins us today.
The winner of Aster Guardian's Global Nursing Award 2025 is Naomi Ohene Oti.
That is a lot. She beats all these people to emerge the winner. Ladies and gentlemen, the celebration we are going to take a look at right now is worth it, and I would say it is underrated. A lot of the media houses should have been informed early enough, including me. Anyways, let's go to Kotoka, and when we come back, we'll talk more. Let's go. this is magical indeed. You guys, I would like us to talk. I feel like there's something magical about Ghana that we are not talking about enough. And I'm saying this because now this award is not an award that is based on just, oh, okay, oh, we heard about your work, you've done this, someone recommended you, so for that we want to honor you. No. It has everything to do with voting. So where did Ghanaians get the voting power to emerge this woman the winner? I say the world loves this country, and some people think I'm lying, I'm overhyping. I'm not. Because if we want to look at the numbers, Ghana wouldn't have made it, because all the countries that would have voted for Madam Naomi to emerge the winner are also partaking in this award. Nigeria, Kenya, South Africa, of course, the African sentiment is there. They definitely would have voted for her if they don't have their own candidate. But they were all busy. Everybody, every country in the world was busy voting for theirs. So how did Madam Naomi emerge the winner? Yeah, to be honest, when I see people underrate Ghana on the internet, I used to laugh at them. Someone would tell you, oh, if you're looking to do content, you should target a country with the numbers. But funny enough, some of us are talking about Ghana, a country with the population of 36 million people. Of course, not all of them are watching my videos, because by now I would have been up there, a Dangote baby. Yeah, I know. But even with the fact that talking about a country that is, small in numbers, we are going good. So it is magical. It is beyond what we see. When I say Ghana no be your mate, basically I mean it. Yeah, how did we get there where we beat the United States of America? These people have a lot of online presence. In Ghana here, a lot of us didn't even get to know about the competition, but thank you to some of you that knew about it and voted for her because you were very active, or probably because of the mainstream media, the traditional media, like TV3 and the rest. The way she went for interview, soliciting for your votes. But do you think it's only your votes that got her here? Honestly speaking, I just feel like some countries will be like, let Ghana win, and they just let go of theirs to vote for us. This is amazing. Anyway, I'm just here with the report that our beloved Madam Naomi is back into the country with the whoopee sum of $250 USA, and we are all going to benefit from it. So what she intends to do with the money is put it back into the education sector, or to the nursing schools, give scholarships. This is amazing. And these nurses are going to graduate, going to go to school, benefit, come out, treat all of us, because see, no matter how strong your blood group is, you will fall sick one day. Some of us that hardly fall sick, we do fall sick, and we go to the hospitals, and it's these nurses that are treating us. That is why I say we are all benefiting. Anyway, I'm just here with that news, and I hope you enjoyed this video, as I will see you in my next one. Bye.